everybody, it's Skillbyte here, and in this video we're going to do a review of the Bruce Hardwood and Laminate Floor Cleaner. Now you might be asking yourself, why isn't he showing the actual product in his hand or holding it or something? Well, you'll see in a minute. So we've been using this Bruce product for years. Buy it at a local box store. It's worked great on our laminate floors. But now there's a problem. The box store no longer carries it. So we ordered it from a large online retailer, and Bruce is like a third party going through this large retailer. And that's where the problems began. So here is the product when we got it. This is how it came. It's because it leaked. It leaked from this not being fully tight. Got the box all wet. And of course, since it leaked, there's less than half still in it. So basically, they're giving us the runaround, trying to discourage us. They won't give us a refund. They won't send us a new product. They wanted us to fill out some sort of Amazon return thing. Amazon, it's a third-party place. You need to go through them, so we're getting the runaround there. And I mean, it's a third party. It's not Amazon's fault. Amazon didn't ship it. They did. And now they're saying, and of course they're doing the whole delay thing. You do this by this date or whatever, and then they wait till a week before that date to say anything. As you can see, we got this on October 1st. It's the 21st today. It's been 20 full days, and now they're wanting us to ship it back. But get this, ship it back. They want it insured. They want it signature requested, and they will only refund if it is found that their product is defective. Okay, it leaked in the box, wrecking the box. Are they going to actually refund all the shipping? Because they want us to pay for it, and they don't. The only way they'll refund the product and the shipping is if it's their product's fault. Well, the lid was loose, and over half of it spilled out into the box, soaking the box. So it's their fault, and they won't own it. I mean, that's the sad thing. It's a great product, but their customer service is horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. Yeah. So no, I cannot recommend the product. Just can't, because if you have any issues like this, you're out, because they don't care about customer service at all. So my wife did end up shipping it back to Bruce, since they said they would refund the shipping of sending it back. So it's now January. Bruce did end up refunding the price of the purchase. However, they did not give us the $16 back for shipping it back to them that they insisted on. The customer service was just absolutely atrocious. Honestly, the product should have been in a plastic bag inside the box in case it did leak. It wouldn't, I mean, it still would have leaked, but it wouldn't have caused the post office to have to put it in a bag and put a hazmat label on it and everything. Oh, my postman was unhappy. Yeah, so there you go. Great product, absolutely terrible customer service. So yeah, you've been warned. I can't show you the product because we refuse to buy them anymore. Yeah. All right, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your purchasing decision.